All right, Will, one more. What do you got for me?
You got to go?
One more. Take your pick. Only the best.
Oh, this is hard.
And get one that Vin's going to like as well.
No, you don't have to.
Get a nice, fun, a nice, fun Vin take on the way out here. Go ahead.
I don't remember, did we ever talk about a time where a monkey kidnapped a baby?
Let's go.
I've seen this.
Let's go. We can handle it.
Before it's.
Oh, you know what? I feel like I've seen
it. Right?
But
did we do a clip on it?
I believe we've done a clip on this.
Have we?
Let's redo. Let's do a follow-up.
With Vin?
Yeah, let's do a follow-up with Vin. Monkey rides in on bicycle, tries to steal child. Let's do it. 2022.
We've all seen it.
Redux.
It's very, very... It's more than
let's
what you
do a
think.
redux right now. Go ahead. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Monkey riding like a little...
How is the monkey that powerful?
Yeah.
Look at the guy walks in no shirt.
Like, hey, none of that.
The guy walks in no shirt. Hey, you, get out of here. He's dragged the child.
The sliding.
No one cares. It's just like the people who are just sitting down is like, okay, that's happening.
A crazy, crazy clip. You know what? I expected seeing this in 2022, after definitely having seen it in the past, that I would be like, that I might have a more subdued reaction. But truthfully, it's nuts. The power the monkey can generate, for sure the weight of the human is far more. Right?
Well, you can drag a 200-pounder, right?
But I'm saying far more than that. I'm feeling like that monkey is maybe 30 pounds, 20 pounds. What is that monkey? That's what I need to know. The ratio here, the scale of the human versus monkey. No, that monkey's not even 30 pounds. That monkey's like 20 pounds. And the kid's like 40. That's like me dragging a 400-pound. What type of monkey is that? Somebody help me out here. Is that a capuchin? And fast, too, man. That's the other part. Fast. And until the guy shows up, like, he was just going to keep going.
What's the plan for, like, what's the monkey thinking if it can get
Maybe there's, like, a van there or something.
Oh, it's part of, like a kidnapping thing?
Yeah, maybe.
They train the monkey to...
Or like a band of monkeys off to the side there.
Well, no, he comes in on the bike. That's the craziest part. He comes in on the bike.
The bike.
Like if it was just a monkey that went rogue.
Oh my!
You didn't see the bike, Vin?
No.
Like, and he's flying.
Yeah, something's going on.
Okay, let's see the bike. What type of bike is that?
It's a mini.
Is it like an RC bike or something?
RC, so someone else is driving it?
Maybe. Could be all fabricated, really.
Yeah, well, obviously it can always, but I don't think many people can put a child through that type of damage for a clip. I mean, it's possible, and look, the other girls over there, they're in shock, man. That's really what's going on there. I mean, it's definitely a trained monkey. Like, there is no way. There's no incentive to do this.
Will might have stumbled on something there.
What do you mean?
What other? I mean, yeah, monkeys aren't grabbing kids for like in the wild. Like it's not eating there's something else going on.
Well, he's riding a bike. Somebody gave him the bike, guys.
No.
So there's definitely something else going on.
Maybe he stole the bike.
No, he didn't steal the bike, all right?
He stole the bike.
He's been on a rampage for a week around town.
There's a lot going on here.
Yeah. Well, you have to go to top. You got to go to top comment, obviously. Help us out, Reddit, or somebody in the community help us out. Here's an explanation. The monkey belongs to a street performer, rides the bike for shows. It's on a leash and is evidently being mistreated. Hence, it tried to escape on the bike. The owner yanks on the leash, and the monkey, not wanting to get dragged back, holds onto the first thing it can find, which unfortunately happens to be a child. The owner yanks harder, pulling both the monkey.
What?
Let's go, and gets dragged back into a life of abuse. It's sad, really, especially because the monkey kind of looks like a bad guy at first glance, but he's really the victim.
Oh, wow. That was the perfect explanation.
This video circulated on TV and all for a period of time, and this explanation is exactly what happened. Yeah, see, the strength of it was my issue. And it goes to show you when you see a short clip. Now, I don't know, like this person's saying what's going on, but when you consider a short clip you see on the internet and you think one thing about it, see if you can see the string now that you're...
I mean, the one thing now is the first, maybe the first yank right there.
And then also the slide. This slide right here, he's definitely getting pulled back.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Right here, he's getting dragged.
Yeah, because his feet don't move.
But then, damn, that is sad. Now that you put it in those terms, because it's latching onto the baby for safety. Like it's latching onto another being to be held.
Oh, we have to end it on a bad note.
I mean, it's just crazy. I mean, it's just a crazy. I don't know. I can't see a string. Listen, but this is a type of clip that I feel like will pop up in our lives once every 4 years, you know, and you're not even sure if you've seen it before, but you know it's shocking, and it's just the way that information proliferates on the internet. It's very strange. It's a combination of factors that make it inherently viral. It's inherently viral. It's just definitely viral. But there's no need to be depressed, because I think in this case, well, at least the child walked away from it.
Sure.
And thank you very much, Vin, for joining today. Johnny Depp got $15 million. I don't know what that means. That was the settlement. Many things happen in the world on any given day, many of them outside of your control. Try to focus on the things you can control.
Like Discord.
Like getting involved in the community and shaping this show and the future of this show by taking part. I appreciate everybody who's contributed up until this point and who will contribute in the future. Thank you very much for all the super chats as well. Did I already say thanks to Vin for joining us today, especially on a very important episode when we have Johnny Depp / Amber Heard breaking news, amongst other breaking news. We'll see you tomorrow, Will?
Tomorrow, yeah.
We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks, guys.